Hey guys, September here and welcome back to my channel. And today for this video I'm doing a quick little polygel set with dual forms. I haven't thought about it yet if I want to do like a voiceover or talk on this video because I don't want it to be too long and I don't know if anyone's gonna be interested in this video. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to I did 2 fingers already and this one's kind of crooked. My bad for giving you the finger, but depending on if people actually take interest in this video will depend on what I do with future videos. But anyway, I'm gonna get into this set. I've already done base coat on these. So now I'm going to get my Macart clear and I'm going to probably do my pointer finger, which is this dual form, size 8. And I am just going to squeeze some in. I want to make this set really quick, and that is why if I seem like I'm rushing, I probably am. You can. To press her onto my nail. I really love the Macart clear because it really is clear. And I'm going to cure this for 2 minutes in my LED lamp. Once the nail has been cured, I'm just going to move on to my pinky finger, which I also want to do clear. So take my clear. So I can try. So I can try, boy. Feel your heart. I'm gonna cure this. I didn't do a primer and dehydrator because I don't want these nails to stay on for too long because I have another set I want to do after this one on this exact hand because this is my easy hand. Now that I have shut up. After I've cured these 2 nails, I am going to do my ring finger with the nude. I'm not going to put a lot of nude because this nude doesn't cure greatly, and that upsets me. This nude doesn't cure like it should, and I don't know why. But I'm just going to scurry this down the nail. Place this. And once it's been placed, I am going to cure this in my lamp again for 2 minutes. Now that I have cured it, I'm just going to pop it off. It's not like this polygel. The nude polygel just doesn't cure good. But anyway, I think like I said in my last video, my nail drill is not here yet. So I will be using my nail file to my heart when it becomes too dark. You can fix this world. And these are the nails, the 2 clear ones I am going to keep clear. But then again, I'm going to paint these. This isn't the high I'm sorry this isn't the high quality video you were probably looking for. I am deeply, deeply, deeply sorry about that. I just don't have the equipment to get the over the head angle you were probably looking for. So I'm just gonna paint. But I'm gonna go ahead and cure this for 2 minutes and then I'll come back with a second coat. I've cured it and it looks, she don't look so bad. So I'm just gonna do a second coat.
So I can try, so I can try, boy. Feel your heart, feel your heart. I can feel your heart now.
Yellow really is my favorite color, and then blue and yellow are both really my favorite color. So I'm gonna cure this for another 2 minutes and then I'll be back. I am going to be using this super platinum nail gel, which again is very beautiful. And I'm gonna be putting it on these two fingers.
Fix this works first.
This is kind of cute and plain. Okay, so I'm just gonna top coat these two nails and then cure these and then top coat those. Yes. I'm going to cure these. This is what it looks like so far. That nail, my fingernail be doing like that all the time. I'm sorry. And it's the way I got it filed. I think this is really cute. Oh my god. I have top coated these. I haven't really... Ooh, that feels nice. Okay, so I'm going to buff it up a little bit. Just gonna buff up that area a little bit of where I want to put the stud. Okay, I'm gonna take my little picker.
An elephant in snow. You can draw my soul. You can draw my soul. You can fix my heart when it becomes too dark.
And you can see where I've placed them, and I'm just going to place it in the middle. I think that's cute, and I'm going to go ahead and top coat the shiny nails. I'm gonna go ahead and cure these one more time, go over these nails with the top coat one more time, and then I'll be back. So I'm gonna go in with the B&C Vitamin Super Nail Hardener. Now I'm just going to just do that. My nails need this oil. They've been going through something. Don't know what they've been going through. They've been going through something. I didn't want to like do both hands. I just want to do this one, take the nails off and like rest a little. Meaning I can keep these on. I am going to my sister's this week. So like it'd be cute. Kind of fun to have some nails done. Here is the final look of these nails. That comes from I had some white in my nude polygel. That is the look. Very, very, very pretty. That is it for today's video. Please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe down below. Stay tuned for my next video. And I really like this set. Comment and tell me how you like this set. I did plan on taking these off, but because I'm feeling these just a little bit too much, I'm going to keep them on for the week, and I'm just going to do something different to my other hand because I like having one hand look one way and the other look the other. But with that being said, thank you guys for watching, and toodles.